Hello, this is Office instruction video on how to import AutoCAD files into Office. Very easy. At the top left hand, in the top of the screen, we have our options for different ribbons. As we move across, we're after for this function, we're involving importing data. We always have the ribbon File, and we click Import to import a file. We make sure that the files of type are set to the AutoCAD drawing, either DWG or DXF, depending on which one you're importing. We're going to be picking this DWG file, and I'm just going to show you what happens after you click Open. We have this particular file is in meters, but make sure that it is the file scale, the file units that you want to use. Click OK. Now, when blocks are included, the purpose of this import is not for anything involving plotting or anything like that. The data is going to be used for surveying. So in this particular case, and I'm keeping this one particularly simple, I'm turning blocks off. I'm also, notice that the data is split between points, lines, areas, text, blocks, and layers. Each one of these is a different type of data, and you can choose whether or not you want them included. Now, because this is a relatively basic survey application, we're not going to use areas, and we are going to keep text, so it gives us an idea of what is what and where it is. And then we just click OK. Now, as I zoom in, we've got some text here, so we have an idea of what that is. We have we can sort of see where different data is in certain places and so on. But any one of these lines and points can then be used for whatever survey application that the person has in mind. One thing to always keep in mind is scale. So in this particular case, I look at the top left-hand corner and we have 45.69 meters. If I zoom out a bit and just sort of move it across, I can see that this whole site here is about 190 meters, which is within reason. Now, when it's not within reason, when you import the file units, change them so that when the data comes in, that it is within reason. Because if this was in millimeters, that wouldn't be 190 meters. It'd be something a bit more unreasonable, like 19 meters and so on. Yeah, and that is how you import a AutoCAD file for basic survey applications and check the scale. Cheers.